In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of your Shopify website step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and click on the login button. Enter the email address connected to your Shopify account, type in your password, and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Settings located at the bottom left corner. Inside the Settings menu, click on Store Details. Here you'll find your current store name displayed under the Basic Information section. Click on the store name field and type in your new Shopify store name carefully. Make sure the new name matches your brand and is easy for customers to recognize. After entering the new name, click Save to apply the changes. Your Shopify website name will now be updated across your store dashboard and customer-facing areas where the store name appears. If you're also rebranding, consider updating your logo, domain name, and social media profiles to keep your branding consistent everywhere online. Thanks for watching.